Now, I'm reading now the personalities in the Philippines. It might be true, it might not be true. But then, yung sinasabi niyong due process, isa yan. Baka sakali mademanda itong mga taong ito, administrative or criminal, then they should have due process. Presumption of innocence. Lahat yan sa Constitution, ibigay ko yan. But my mouth is walang due process dito. Yung due process has nothing to do with my mouth. Walang proceedings dito, walang abogado. Ako'y nagsasalita po sa taong bayan at malaman po ninyo anong katotohanan sa ating buhay dito sa Pilipinas. Ako po'y kaisa-isang presidente na gumagawa nito. Alam mo bakit? Kailangan malaman ng tao kung anong nangyayari sa bayan. It's very important for the people to know the state of things or conditions in this country. That is my sworn duty. Hindi ninyo mapigilan, and I am not afraid of sabihin ninyo na ikulong ako pag fine. Wala akong drama dyan. At sabihin ko sa inyo, totoo, pwede kong iwanan ito, ang presidency. Wala akong sabihin mo na hangal-hangal ako dyan sa adjuration ng tao. Ayaw kong magpakita ng Manila because it would cause traffic. I'm finished, I'm done. Wala akong honor na habulin sa buhay ko. Presidente na ako. Hindi ako makipagkompetensya dyan sa mga politiko. Trabaho ko is to take care of the Filipino, period. Now, there are things that are really reaching crisis proposal. It's not even epidemic. Kayo, Carol, it's pandemic. It's 2 years ago, sabi ng PDEA, 3 million addicts. Noon yun. 2-3 years ago, I remember. Sabi nila, 92% of the barangays in the Metro Manila are contaminated with drug use. Nung mayor ako yung binubugbog ng human rights issue. Hindi ako nakinig sa inyo. Kasi may trabaho ako. At alam ko talagang it was really spreading like wildfire. And I was scared for my country kasi Pilipino ako. Ngayon, presidente ako, I have to worry sa lahat ng mga anak ninyo. Why? Because kung 3 million yon 2 years o 3 years ago, incremental, ibig sabihin tumubo talaga yan. Maraming na-contaminate naman kasi yung natamaan, maghanap ng biktima yon para suporta niya. Yun namang isa, and it's a vicious cycle. It is almost an internecine affair amongst sa ating Pilipino. So, ito, droga. I said, sorry. Meron dito tumawag sa akin. But you know, if there is a rule, a law, either you enforce it or none at all. Pero mga kaibigan, kung hindi ko basahin kasi kilala kita, ang pinakamabuti kong magawa para sa bayan, mag-resign. Ikanon ako katali. Mahiya naman ako sa kumpare ko. Nakatulong naman ito sa pagka-presidente ko. Well and good. At mabayaran kita sa anong paraan. Mabuhay ko. Kung sabihin mo may nag-orimentado dyan, tawagan mo ako. Harapin natin dalawa. Pero not this one because this is not personal to me. Hindi ko kayo kalaban. Wala akong samang loob sa inyo. Pero galit na ako ngayon. Kasali ka na. Someday, magkikita tayo. I'll start with judges. Judge Mupas of Dasmariñas, Cavite. Judge Reyes, only known, Baguio City. Judge Savilo RTC Branch 13, Iloilo City. Judge Casiple, Calibo, Aklan. Judge Rene Gonzalez, MTC, Blanco dito. Judge Navidad, RTC, Calbayog City. Judge Ezekiel Dagala, MTC, Judge Dapa, Siargao. Mayor Rinaldo Flores, Nagilian, La Union. Dante Garcia, Tubao, La Union. Martin de Guzman, Buang, La Union. Marjorie Apel Salazar, Lasam, Cagayan. Goto Violago, San Rafael, Bulacan. Marino Morales, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Felix Castillo, Langiden, Abra. Ex-Mayor Eufronio Erigel, Agoo, La Union. Jesus Celeste Boying, alias Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Jose Pepe Miranda, Santiago City, Isabela. Vicente Amante, San Pablo City, Laguna. Ryan Dolor, Buan, Batangas. Vice Mayor Edgardo Trinidad, El Nido, Palawan. Indi Visayas, Alex Centena, Kalinog, Iloilo. Julius Ronald Pacificador, Hamtek, Antique. Jed Mabilog, I think is the mayor, Iloilo City. Sigfredo Salangotin Beta, Carles, Iloilo. Marciano Malones, Maasin, Iloilo. Sabi ko noon Mas campaigning actually, lahat ng tao doon. Lahat ng tao. Mayor, kung maaari, tulungan mo kami. Huwag ko sentimento sa inyo, Huwag ko utang. Huwag ka ba nagpangayo sa akon? Ito, noon daw ng Iloilo, many times, almost desperate, Mayor Andruga. So we just pray that I will win, and maybe in the fullness of God's time, I will take care of this problem. Ito, I'm sorry, kaibigan tayo, pero Marciano Malones, Maasin, Iloilo. Michael Rama, the former mayor of Cebu City. Hector Ong, Lawang, Northern Samar. Rolando Espinosa. Alam mo, hinahanap kita hanggang ngayon. Nauna ka lang kay Bato. Lahat kayong local officials. At this point, mag-ano muna ako, Beda Kanyamage, Basay, Negros Oriental. Ex-Mayor Madeline Ong, Laong Northern Samar. Dito muna ako. All policemen, PNP personnel assigned as security guards, security personnel ng mayor I have mentioned, you are hereby relieved of your duty and immediately report to your mother unit. Wala na itong tatanggalin ko yung operational authority over them. 24 hours. Lahat, military, police, nakadikit dyan sa mga itong mga to. I give you 24 hours to report to your mother unit or I will whack you. I'll dismiss you from the service. Vice Mayor Francis Ansing Amboy, Maasin, Iloilo. Charles Sabalones, San Fernando, Cebu. run for mayor, but actually maybe the lost. Attorney Antonio Pesena of Iloilo City, Erwin Tongtong Plagata, Iloilo City. The most shabulized, is that the word? The most shabulized. Ina. Is there such a word, shabulized? You would say that. Wala akong personal sa kanila, ha? Iloilo. Congressman, ex-congressman, J.C. Ramanava, Gumaras. Congressman Party List, Jeffrey Celis, Panay Chapter. Leader ko ba ang yan? Ano? Panay Chapter. Buisit. O ba ibang trabaho dyan? Baka may bakante sa inyo. Mindanao. Abubakar Abdul Karim Afdal, Labangan, Zamboanga del Sur. Gamar Ahay Janihin, Siraway, Zamboanga del Norte. David Navarro, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. Bobby Alingan, Colambogan, Davao del Norte. Yusupa Munder Bobong Ramin, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. Jesse Aguilera, Alegria, Surigao del Norte. Fahad Salik, Marawi City. Muhammad Ali Abinal, yung surrender. Sino ka din kasama nung yawa na yun? Dalawa sila. Jamal Dadayan, Buwa di Puso, Bontong, Lanao del Sur. Sabula, Makabago, Sagiran, Lanao del Sur. Muslim Alin Makadato, Lubatan, Lanao del Sur. Rasol Sangki, Dato Saudi, Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Montaser Sabal, Talitay, Maguindanao. Vicman Muntawal, Dato Muntawal, Maguindanao. Pati yung sarili niyang bayan. Samsudin Dimakum, Dato Saudi, Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Nuridin Salasal, Dato Salibo, Maguindanao. Ex-Mayor Binahar Tulawi, Talipaw, Sulu. Rinaldo Parahinog, alias Andong, the Mayor of Osamis City. Nova Princess Parahinog Chavez, used to be the wife of, I think, Colanco. Yung poster boy doon sa blandi-blandi pa ang buhok. Hindi naman, tisoy. Alam mo, baski saya magpunta, abangan ko kayo. Kasi wala na ako sa presidency, habang may baril ako. Gusto ninyo, gisingin ninyo ako para ito, sabi niya, hindi. Maybe I believe you. He's a personal friend. He's kasama namin sa kausa sa, but I'm sorry because your name appears here. Omar Solitario Ali, Marawi City. Used to be the, I said, alam mo, magkaibigan tayong iba nun. Rama, Solitario. Either I read all, or I read none. I cannot, play. Ang trabaho ko ito, I cannot. Kailangan basahin ko ito lahat. Nandito, galing sa military, pati sa police, lahat nandito, or hindi ko basahin. Abdul Wahib Sabal, Vice Mayor to, Talitay, Maguindanao. Otto Montawal, Dato Montawal, Maguindanao. Nida Dimagkon, Dato Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Arafat Salik, Marawi City. Rasmia Macabagos, Siguran, Lanao del Sur. Congressman Guillermo Romarate Jr., 2nd District, Surigao del Norte. Former 2nd Vice District Board Member Ricardo Parahinog Ardot. So, iba tong si kapatid siguro to. I would like to just give you the advice. Once you hear your name mentioned here, if you are somewhere, you are now relieved of your present assignment. Report to the PNP within 24 hours, or I will order the entire armed forces and the police to hunt for you. Nasa sa inyo yan. Police Inspector Rolando Batolayan, retired. Police Superintendent Maristelo Manalo, PNP, CIDG. PIC Roberto Palisok, Station 7 MPD. Superintendent Ciceron Ada, retired. PCI Eric Binaventura Nabutas, non-commissioned officers. Kaya dumating tayo sa dito. You know why? Kayo yung enforcer. And you allowed yourself to be used. You are working for the government. Ang nagbubuhay mo noon, na bata pa kayo, bago ang Pilipino. Pagdating ninyo sa nasaan kayong putang ina kayo, nandito na kayo. You destroy the country. Sabihin ninyo kung anong gusto ninyo. Di magsama na natin lahat. Masundalo. You want a country na? Sabay na lang tayo. You have infected to date. Yung nag-surrender lang. Ha? Ang hindi nag-surrender, takot o matapang, and ready, hindi pa yan bilang. Now, there are now 600,000 Filipinos addict, pusher, and user. Huwag mo akong bigyan ng shit dyan na user ka lang. Wala ka naman pera. Hindi ka anak ng... Hindi kita iniinsulto. Ako anak rin ng mahirap. Pero hindi ako gaya mo gonggong. Ang IQ ninyo ito mga to, 14. Bakit kayo pumasa sa... That's treason. Kung baka nung old times, treason now is a state of war and you become a spy and there is a war going on. But actually, in the olden times, it's treason. That's a crime against the country of the Republic of the Philippines. Yun na lang kinakonsensya niya. Meron pa dito mga pulis. Naririnig ko. Sabi, bakit ako magawa ng ganon? After 6 years, putang ina. Say goodbye to your promotion. Maghintay kayo 6 years. Say goodbye. Hindi ka na ma-promote. Either you're a cynic, sigurista ka, or you are a coward. Ngayon, kung takot ka, sinabi ko na sa inyo, sagot ko kayo personally and officially. Kung hindi pa ba nasapat sa iyong gonggong umalis ka sa pwesto. Ito, wala na to. Onol. We will file, wag na yung criminal. Beyond reasonable doubt. Marunong kayo, police kayo. administratively, you're dead. You separate yourself from the PNP. Do not destroy the young men and women who are true to their country dyan. Huwag ninyong sirain ang PNP. Huwag ninyong sirain ang forces. Bagay, which is consolation to you guys here. Wala. Police Non-Commissioned Officer, PO2, Geraldine Bautista Manuel, PNP PRO2 Health Service. Baba ito. SPO3, Ronald Calap, Isabela PPO. POC Rodel Samoledo, Lalio Police Station. O kung saan yan. PO3 Cecilio Domingo, Nueva Ecija siguro to, CIDT. PO2 Romando Mendoza. This is, I think, excuse me. May Ryan. And then Ryan Mendoza, Tarlac Police Station. Jeffrey Serafika, Butuan, PPO. PO1 Norman Adarlo, Puerto Galera, NPS. Mark Cañete, RSRP, SB. Mimorap. Ano itong yawa nito? Mimorapo. Mimorapa? Kayo lang ako nakarinig na. Pisina yan. Ano yan? Place? It's anong... napunod yun po. PO1 Mark Christian Catalina, PNP Camarines Norte. PO2 Alan Carpio, PCP 8 Pasay City. PO3 Eric Lazo, QCPD Station 6. PO3 Alexander Macabeo, PCP 3 Parañaque City. PO3 Johnny Mahilom, QCPD Station 6 Batasan. Doon siguro pinapasa yung congressman na yun. PO2 Celito Milendres, Binangonan Police Station. Actually, ngayon lang ito as corrected. I had it validation. Pagdating, raw lang yung akin. Tanggalin mo yung protector. Kasi hindi natin sigurado yan. O protect what? Sabihin niya, yung bata niya, huwag mong galawin yan. Bata ni Duterte yung security niya. Parang ganon. So, I had it revalidated. And again, when I saw the mayors na kilala ko, I had revalidated. Ngayon lang ito pinasa sa akin. PNP officers, General, Vicente Luot, retired. General Valerio, Santa Barbara, Iloilo, retired. General Bernardo Diaz, Region 6. General Idio, RTC of Calbayog City. Police Superintendent Floro, retired, Antique PNP and City Director. Police Superintendent Kashmir Dimangkok, former COP of Iloilo Base Commander. Police Superintendent Delia Paz, Chief RDIDM. Police Superintendent NEPA, RIU, Sedin 6 Intelligence. Police Superintendent Ipel Duenas, wala akong address. Superintendent Kaundag. Police Superintendent Eugenio Malik, PNP Maritime Group. PNP Lamsis, former page soft of Chief Antique, Anti-Drug. Police Superintendent Gumbok, Police Superintendent Leven, PIC Rio Maymay, PSI Kenneth Militar, yung isa sa Iloilo, Militar Iloilo, PSI Donasco, walang address, PIN Inspector De Jose, CSOG, PNP Region 6. Police Inspector Duarte, buti na hindi Duterte ang yawa. Former Cap PCOP of Arevalo, Iloilo. Iloilo, grabe talaga. Wala ito, sumiyong political. PIC Vicente, Chief of Police, Banate. Superintendent Romeo Santander, former Chief Intel Cebu. Kaya nagmabot tayo ng 600,000. Tibok. Tibok. Buong Pilipinas kasi may naglaro. Gaano, bakit kadali? Bakit napakarami po? How is it that is in this magnitude? It is because government personnel were into it. Yan, kung ano-ano lang dyan ang Cebu-Cebu. 2, 3, 4. Ako yung human rights violator. Talagang hinawakan ko ang Davao kasi alam ko delikado. Talagang inipit ko sila dito. Extrajudicial killing, maybe. Kung sabihin mo, nagpatay ako ng tao, nakatali. You must be crazy. Extrajudicial killing. At alam mo, sa totoo, I'll share with you a secret that you do not want to believe. Yang mga pusher, bangag yan. And the first thing, alam ninyo, kung mayroon kayong, di ba sinasabi, may naghahunting sa akin. Meron taong sumusunod. Because the first thing that will destroy the mind or the mindset is paranoid. Paranoid. Kaya magdala ng baril. Ngayon sabi itong mga NGO, itong mga newspaper, bakit patay lahat? Bakit may baril planted? Maybe 1 or 2. Ang pulis, pag mag-operate yan, hindi gago, isa lang siya o 2. May backup yan, 3, 4 yan sila, may dalang Armalite. Kaya pag itong mga pusher, alam nila makukulong na sila. Bangag, sira ang ulo. Talagang, tignan mo ang nangyari sa Chief of Police ng Magsaysay, Davao del Sur. O di patay, buhat. Ngayon, I hope and I pray that he would make it. Tinamaan sa dibdib. Shattered yung isang police, I forgot, I apologize for the lapse of memory. Yung namatay. He was serving a warrant, droga, patay. O yung mga NGO ngayon, yung mga newspaper, we respect your views, but kindly explain to me kung sinasalvage yan, bakit mamatay itong police ba? Ngayon, is hanging between life and death. Kindly tell me. Bakit? E di kung salvage, barilin mo na ng Armalite, distansya. Huwag mo na lang lapitan, di tayo mo lang sa bahay, di targetin mo. O bakit ito ngayong mga polis na, hindi lang ito, karami na yan, hindi pa. Kaya sabi ko sa polis ko dito, no, Mayor ako, wag kong makita ka na you are dying there, sipain kita. Bakit ka magpaunang ulol? Barilin mo, any antag-hostile yung bunot-bunot. Huwag ka na maghintay, maglabas pa ng baril. Basta yung mga ganon-ganon. Eh ngayon, kung magkamot yung gago, di pasensya. Kailangan ka maghintay ka paano yan, nagkakamot o may baril. Sabi ko, itong mga pulis daw, huwag kayong maabutan ko ng ikirig-kirig, sipain kita. Bakit ka nagpauna? Ulol. Yan ang order ko sa pulis. Yan Davao. Ngayon presidente ako, ganoon. Bakit maghintay ka pa na ang ilabas niya, sir, apple lang ito, gutom ako. That ain't that way. Illegal? No, of course not. Human rights violation. Ngayon, itong mga NGO, you have been repeating this kind of sloganeering that, drug addiction is a disease, is an ailment. Sakit yan. Hindi dapat patayin. Dapat igamot. Okay. Itong saan ba opisina ninyo? Itong 600,000 ibigay ko sa inyo bukas. Sabihin ko doon sa mga, i-deliver ninyo yan. Sino yan? Yung NGO. Ala, sige. Ipagamot mo. Sabi mo, sakit yan. Sige. Bigay mo. Kayo na ang bahala. Human rights. United Nations, come here. You lecture dito. Instead, okay mga NGO, you go around, lecturing, in Cebu. Let alone yung salvaging. No, huwag kayong pumasok diyan, kayong mga anak. Kayo naghihintay lang. Pag may matumba, human rights violation. Ako, I guaranteed, they will not go to prison, period. In the performance of duty, itong mga to, they will not one of them will go to prison. Hanggang presidente ako. Wala yung, I will not allow a police officer or a soldier or an officer of the armed forces in the performance of the duties kasuhan ninyo. I would like to say now, they will never go to prison. Not under my watch. Ngayon, itong mga police na kidnapper, itong mga naglasing dyan o spraying the Armalite and killing civilians, well, I'm sorry. Kasali yan doon sa basura ka sa akin tingin ko. Do not pray for any deliverance from me. P.O. Michael Cortez, Barili Police Station. SPO1 Jen de la Victoria, PS5 Cebu CPO. SPO1 Onel Nabua, Barili Police Station. PO2 Jumar Ibanez, Lapu-Lapu Police Station. PO3 Ryan Martos Hiamco, Cebu Provincial Office. PNP Officers, Mindanao. PCI Ibrahim Jabiran, Zamboanga CPO. PCI Perfecto Abrasaldo, Awit Jr., Misamis Oriental. Police Inspector Roy Sinojales Montes, Iligan PRO. Police Superintendent Ricardo Gando, alias Pulot, alias Cap Dugans, Chief of Police, Quezon, Bukidnon. Police Inspector Martin Plaza, former Panabo Chief Intel. Kaya ka. 600,000. Ito yan sila. Police non-commissioned officer. Pioman Pierre Diso. Yung aide ko pa man, si Dilo. O baka mapalitan nila ito, maaresto ko si Dilo, kawawa naman. Yung isang aide ko, yung counterpart niya sa Manila. PO3 Omar, ito sa Zamboanga de Soriana. Diso. PO1 Omar Wani, Zamboanga City Public Safety. Romel Mansol, PRO 9. Ba't itong report na ito? PO3 Darrell Page, Tabasan Municipal Station. SPO1 Totong Joe Valdez, 9 RMG. SPO1 Rodrigo, butit na lang ni Duterte. Malapit ang madisgrasya dito. Babaril ako sa likod. No? Nakakak na mga baril niyan eh. Naghanap lang yan ng excuse for matay. SPO4 Rodrigo Ramos, Bukidnon, PRO. SPO1 Rinaldo de la Victoria, CDO. SPO3 Emilio Mendoza, Losaria, PP5, Iligan City. Marlo Espinosa, Bukidnon. Police SPO3 Richie Matt, CIDG Mate, Davao Oriental. Ano siguro ito yung Dabaoin nyo? SPO3 Rosel Olivera, CIDG Tagum, Davao del Norte. PO3 Jesse Balabag, Region 11. Ikaw, bakit ka nakatawa dyan? Ikaw, ha? PO3 Filimino Soronia, Digos Police Station. PI1 Glen Alicarte, PO Pro 12. Walang address. PO1 Philip Pantarolia, Tacorong City Police Office. SPO1 Jerry De La Rosa is SCP PO. That complete. PO3 Bebot Ruiz, GSC PO. Police PO3 Estelito Solanyo, Malongon, MPS Sarangani. PO1 Jerebel Oxio, PRO Arimen. I am sorry for my country. I grieve for the agony and suffering of the Republic of the Philippines. SPO1 Billones Ernesto, NCR. JS1 Montemayor Lito, Rojas District, Jail, Apari District. PO1, PO1, Vicente Rinaldo Celes, NCR. PG Saet Drexel, Mema Rupa. SPO1 Tubil Felix, Region 3. SPO3 Angeles Nicolas Ponce, Region 3. SPO2 Merseni Rod Marindoki, BFP. FO1 Rinaldo Valencia, Claveria Police Station. Sergeant Vic De La Cruz, Mimarupa. Brigadier General Leonzo Daniega, NCR. SPO3 Jerry Mendoza, NCR. Rimanti Daito, Region 5. Raymar Daito, Region 5. Visayas, Zamora Renato Gumaro, Region 6. J1 Alan Coca, Manatad, Region 7. SPO3 Christy Cielo Tingag, Region 7. Mindanao. This is the last. Meron tayong problema dito. Arsad Kasim Miro Castro Kafgo, 38 IB 6 Infantry Division ARMM. PFC Arsad Philip Miro, 40 IB 6 Infantry Division RMM. Corporal Cusinan Lopez, Giamad Loy, 52 Brigade ARMM. PFC Mama Dali Ipad, 64th IB, 6 Infantry Division ARMM. Yasin Abul Galib Bobong, Yasin Boboy, walang ano. JO1 Cubacho Alfredo Gales. FO1 Aplaca Nicolas Ponce. ARMM. FO3 Ibanez Ricardo Villaris, Region 9. Marine Corporal Alfrens Burias Abidin, Western Mindanao. Jimmy Manglangit, Region 12. This is others are doing revalidation again. Alam ko kasi hindi I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Pero pag ito kasi, it has undergone a process. So, any mistake of the military and the police dito, ako yung nakasali. I ordered the listing, I ordered the validation. I'm the one reading it, and I am the sole person responsible for this all. Now, I am ordering those mentioned here, I said, report to your chief PNP 24 hours. You are hereby relieved of your whatever your position there. Mulis kayo dyan, mag-report kayo. I said, I'll be harsh. Lahat ng mga mayors dito na mention, I'm ordering the PNP chief tanggalin yung police supervision and cancel any and all private arms na nakalisensya sa kanila. They're all canceled. Go out naked to the world and show your kalokohan ninyo. Lahat, military, police, pag ikaw assign sa security, go back to your mother immediately. Tapos yung cancellation of the firearms licenses and permits sa lahat ng minensyong ito are ordered, cancelled as of tonight. Lahat kayong judge, whatever, you report to the Supreme Court. Police, you report to PNP chief. And sa Army, you report to the Chief of Staff, General Vizcaya. 24 hours lahat. You do not do that, I will order the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the entire PNP to hunt for you. Salamat po.